Hey, hi, hello guys, it's me Harini from Filtered Recipes, and today's recipe is going to be an instant donut recipe which you can put together in like 5 minutes. So let's get started. In a bowl I'm adding some plain flour, milk powder, some baking powder, a pinch of cardamom powder and some sugar like castor sugar or any fine sugar should be okay, and mix them well. And here I'm adding like a tablespoon of yogurt to it and 300 ml to 400 ml of milk and mix them well. It is a very loose dough. So here I think I've added little more milk to it, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of plain flour to it. Don't add too much of flour, just a tablespoon. And so this is the consistency. So this is just a very perfect consistency, and I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag, and I've heated up oil about like medium to low, and I'm going to squeeze that in and cut it into the oil. In between, rinse the scissors with some oil so that it is a lot easy for you to cut it down, and fry them until golden brown. So when you take it out, if you're not too sure about whether it's cooked inside, just take one piece, cut it into half and check. And I've decorated some with some Nutella and some with cinnamon sugar and just plain donuts. And I'm going to drizzle some Nutella on the top. And that's it guys, that's the instant donuts in just like 5 minutes. That's all it is. So if you guys like this video, please like the video and please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching Filtered Recipes. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.